Yeah. So guys, let's see about this question. This is the first question in today's session. So here if you observe, okay, in a queue facing a service desk, Paula stands somewhere ahead of Don. So we'll see this is head and this is back. Okay, this is front and this is back. These type of questions actually, if they're given an exam, it will be taking more time. If you people can solve right now, okay, because in Mettl platform, as I mentioned earlier, they're giving data and one question only related to that. They're not asking many questions. In fact, this ranking concept they focus more in Mettl only, not in other platforms. So you have to be very clear while solving this type of questions, and it will take time. Now you practice. The advantage in Mettl platform is most of the questions are going to be repeated. Right. So now see here, they given one data like, okay, Dan is stand somewhere ahead of Sham. So wherever Sham is there, the head means this is front side. So somewhere, we don't know how many, right? So the number of people between Paula and Dan is twice the number of people between Dan and Sham. So Dan and Sham, there are a number of people, okay, let's say X. Okay, and between Paula and Dan, it is twice. See, again, it can be like this. Paula can be in this way. They didn't given Paula is head of Dan, or Dan is a head of Paula, not given. Or the other structure is this can be SD and Paula here. Here gap is X people, here gap is 2X people. Two cases as of now. Okay, we'll see next what is the scenario. Okay, then what they given here twice, fine, that's clear. If there are 16 people between Paula and Sham, 16 people between Paula and Sham. So here 16 people. Now question is regarding how many number of people between Dan and Sham. Okay, fine. Right. So here if you observe this one, if you go ahead, okay, in fact options are given. There are two situations, right? Okay, Sam and Dan, X people are there. Between Dan and Paula, 2X people. So P and D, D may be head of P or P may be head of D. Two situations are there and options are given. Here, if this is X, let us say this is in fact, okay, here X people, here 2X people. If this is 16 and the questions between Dan and Sham will be also close to 15 or 16, but not there in the options means this arrangement we are leaving and we are focusing on the above arrangement. In this arrangement, 16 people between Paul and Sham. See, 16 people, listen, here X people, Dan is one person. This is very important here. Many people confuse in this question. Okay, here X people is that Dan is one person, here 2X people. So, how many people between Sam and Paula is 3x plus 1 that they given in the question as 16 means x is equal to 5. 3x equal to 15, x equal to 5 will come into the picture. Now how many people between Dan and Sham is x? That's nothing but equal to 5. I do agree there are two possibilities in this question, but using options this is eliminated. This is eliminated. Why sir? See, among 2x, here x gone, this is x plus 1. Okay, in fact, between these two is x minus 1. This should be called as x minus 1. Why sir? This is x minus 1. Sam is one more candidate x. X plus x is 2x will satisfy. X minus 1 is 16 means x will be equal to 17. Between Dan and Sham, 17 is also actually one of the possibility, but not there in the options. We eliminated this approach and we went for other approach. Okay, here 2x, here x. But many will think that between Sam and Paula, 3x people know 3x plus 1. Here x gap, here 2x gap, here one person is there. 3x plus 1 equal to 16. Okay, x equal to 5 here. That's what between Dan and Sham, how many people are there is nothing but equal to 5. No ranking concept here actually to say this is probably like okay the gap between those two people, it's all about reading the question and solving. It's not involving any ranking concept also. Hope you understand this question. Answer is 5. Perfect. Yeah, Paula stands ahead of Dan. Maybe I didn't read okay, Paula stands ahead of Dan. Yeah, so this is not correct. Paula stands ahead of Dan. That's what this is the correct arrangement. The first line itself clearly mentioned that, so we have to go for first one. If they not mention, there are two possibilities actually. Okay, but they clearly mention the question. Paula is ahead of that. Perfect. Perfect. Yes, yes. Paula is ahead of Dan. Okay. Then only above arrangement is possible. That's what we are taking like S, B, P. This is X. Here 2X. Total between S and P is 3X plus 1. That's what given in the question as 16. From that we got X value equal to 5. So fourth option is correct. Perfect. So let's see about the next question. A certain number of people are standing in a queue facing a museum entrance. Fine. Paula is 12th from the back and Finn is 15th place from the front. What could be the minimum number of people standing in the queue? How many minimum people are standing in the queue is the question actually. So if you observe the question, my dear friends, so minimum people you need to decide. Paula is 12th from the back. From back, okay, Paula is 12th from back. From front, Finn is 15th, right? Okay. See, he may be the last person, right? Finn may be here. Finn may be here, 15. Then here 3 people. 1, 2, 3. So total 15. Okay, Paul, 15 is correct answer. Don't say 27. Minimum people standing. The minimum will be satisfied if it is 15. 15 people, yeah, among 15 people, he is the last, Finn is the last person. And from front side, 15th person. From the back, first person. 15 from front, from back, first person. Paula is 12, then 13, 14, 15. From back, 15 is the first place. 15 people is sufficient. Among those two values, which is highest is the answer simple. Whenever they ask how many minimum people can stand, when they given two things, maximum among those two values is the answer. Next question. I think this is solved in previous class itself. X rank is 25th from the top. Yeah, I think this is the question. Sixth question itself. So we got 22nd as the answer. Same question repeated. You can ignore it. We discussed this in the previous session. Repeated. Now see the next one. Louis is 21st from the left end and Sham is 15th from the right end. Okay. Suman is 31st from the left end of the row. Karan is 6th to the left of Suman. How many people are there in the queue if Sam is adjacent to Karan and third to the right of Louis? So guys, you need to decide how many people in that entire row. So Louis is 21st from the left end of the row. From left end. Okay, this is right end. Left end and right end. So Louis is taking 21st from left end. And one more candidate from left end is Suman. Suman is 31st from left end. Suman will be 31st from left end. Right. Okay, perfect. Next one. Karan is 6th to the left of Suman. See, guys, listen. Karan is left of Suman. Okay. This is okay. 21st from left hand, 31st from left hand. Karan is left from Suman. Karan is going close to the left side. Guys, listen. Karan is going close to the left side. I have to do 31 minus 6. Some people argue, sir, is it plus 6 or minus 6? Karan is going to left side, close to left side. When you go close to left side, his count should decrease. 31 minus 6 is 25th from left hand. Karan is 25th from left hand. This is Suman, right? And Sham is 15th from the right hand. Okay, Sham is 15 from right end. And they given Sham is adjacent to Karan, fine. And third to the right of Louis. Sam is third to the right of Louis. I'm just taking some space here. I'm writing Louis bit gap. Okay. So here I'll put Sam, Louis here. Louis is already 21st from left side. And you observe now, Sam is third to the right of Louis. Sam is third to the right of Louis. So we are going away from the left side. Now we have to add 21 plus 3, guys. So why plus 3 here, why minus 6 here? You kindly understand, I'm going away from the left side. For Louis right side, Sam is there. Sam is now away from left side. So it should be distance more. 21 plus 3, 24th from left side. And Sam is already, I know, he is from, what's the case? Sam is already 15 from the right end. Guys, now I think you can decide 1% position I know from left side and right side. Sam position I know from left side and right side. In fact, Karan is 25th from left, Sam is 24th from left. So that's why Sam is adjacent to Karan. Karan is 25th from left side, Sam is 24th from left side. Karan and Sam are adjacent. You can clearly observe that. Okay. Now Sam is 24th from left, Sam is 15th from right. Then what is the total number of people? 24 plus 15 minus 1. With respect to one person, I know left side and right side position means I can add those two, minus 1 is the answer, right? Total number of people in the row is 24 plus 15 minus 1. We has minus 1 to be done. Left side position plus right side position minus 1. The entire data, how many people means with respect to any person, if I can decide left side and right side position, then you can solve the question. I repeat what is happening in the question once again. Okay, so you just focus on this data. Yeah, left and right, and I'm repeating what we discussed so far, left hand and right hand. Okay, I have a data in the question. Louis is 21st from left hand. Suman is 31st from left hand. So Suman 31st from left hand. L means from left hand. Whereas Louis is 21st from left hand. And there is one statement. Karan is sixth left. Not Karan. Yeah, Karan is sixth left of Suman. So Karan is sixth left of Suman means we got 25 from left hand. Why 25, sir? 31 minus 6 we have to do. Karan is left of Suman means Karan is going close to the left hand. So we have to subtract 25th left we have to mention here. Y minus 1 we discussed in previous class already in ranking concept. I'll show it again. That's what requesting everyone to attend the sessions regularly. That's what the things happen when you don't attend sessions regularly. So we'll display that. First focus on this data. Next, Sam is adjacent to Karan. Sam can be this side or this side. Sam is adjacent to Karan. Sam can be left or right. But there is a data. Sam is right of Louis. Sam is third right of Louis. So then I got 24th from left hand. Sam, SA. Sam is third right of Louis. Okay, now third right of Louis. Louis away is going means right means it's away from the left hand. So we have to write 21 plus 3, 24. And clearly they given one more data in the question. Sam is 15th from the right side. So 1% position from left and right, if you know, then add those two, subtract minus 1. And one of your friend asking about, sir, why you have to do minus 1? We discussed n number of questions in previous session, and clearly this is what the idea. There are total 6 people, but C position is third from left hand, fourth from right hand, third from left hand, fourth from right hand. 3 plus 4 is 7. But I know clearly here 6 people only available. We have to do minus 1. And the reason, in fact, you calculated C from left side and right side both. Calculating both is not correct. Calculating both is not correct. Right? So that's why we removed -1. C calculated twice, it will be double error. So we are removing -1. And one of your friend asking, sir, why can't Sam is right of Karan? Why can't Sam is right of Karan? Sam is 3 places right of Louis, means 24th left. Karan is 25th left, right? Karan 25th left. Sam is 24th left. I understand Sam is adjacent to Karan, means Karan left side or right side possible. But this is 21st from left side, 24th, then 25th, then 26th, so on, 31 will come. My dear friend, now I hope you got the idea why Sam Karan left side is Sam. Why not right side? This is 24th from left side. You see the position. This is 25th from left side. Okay. Now see the next question. This is also a good question actually. Interchanging their places. Tia occupies 15th place from the Tia occupies 15th place from the right hand. Okay. Next they mentioned Tina occupies 12th from the left hand. So Tia and Tina. Fine. But what is required actually, if I know one person position from left hand and right hand, I can decide how many friends. But here problem is, okay, they given, okay, Tia is 15th place from the right hand, Tina 12th from the left hand. Tristan is 9th on the left of Tia. Okay, fine. So first of all, I'll write Tia. Tia is 15th from right hand. Tristan is 9th to the left of Tia. Ninth left of Tia is Tristan. So I'm going left side, means close to the left and away from the right end. So yeah, from right side I'm going away. So I have to go 15 plus 9. Here 15 plus 9, my dear friend. 15 plus 9, 24. Y plus Y minus, please focus. I'm going away from the right side. So I can say this is 15 plus 9, 24 from right hand. Yeah, from right side I am going away. That is why plus Tristan. Next they said Tristan and Tia interchange their places. Okay, right. Now listen. Tristan came here, Tia went here. Now, when Tristan is here, this place, guys, observe this is a seat. This is a seat in a theater in a particular room. After interval, you are changing your place. You came to here. This seat is fixed. This seat is already 15th from right side. Now, in place of Tia, Tristan came. Okay, but now this seat is 12th from the left hand. So this seat 15th from right side and 12th from the left side. 15th from right side and 12th from left side. Okay, fine. Now, what is the question they given? How many people are friends are there between Tristan and Tina? Tristan and Tina. Right. So Tina occupies 12th place from the left hand. Tristan and Tia interchange their places. So Tristan came here. Now Tia is at this place. Tia went to that place. Fine. Now question is regarding how many friends are there between Tristan and Tina. Tina is already occupying 12th place from the left hand. So already Tia also 12th place from left hand. Tina. Names are a bit confusing. So as both are taking same seat, there are 0 people in between actually. How many friends are there between Tristan and Tina is 0 here. We'll see the question once again. What they given in the question. Tia is 15th from right side. Tia is 15th from right side. So this sentence completed. Then I went to next statement. Tristan is ninth on the left of Tia. Tia left side. Tristan, Tri. Tristan is here and it is ninth to the left. He is moving away from the right end. So 15 plus 9, 24 from the right end is Tia place. Okay. Now what they said, Tristan went to this place, Tia went to Tristan place. They interchanged their places. Okay. Now after interchanging places, this is a seat. This seat, this seat is already 15 from right side. Now this seat, okay, is 12th from left side because they said Tristan occupied 12th place from the left end. Already Tina also 12th place, sorry, 20th place, right? That's yes, one moment, sorry. 20th. Okay, I did a mistake here. 20th. Wait, 20th. This is 20th. One moment. 20th from the, okay. Tristan is taking now 20th, not 12th, 20th from the left end. So this seat is 15th from right end and 20th from left end. Okay, cool, fine. So originally, what is number of friends between Tristan and Tina? Fine, we'll go for that. But as of now, are you getting the clarity what is discussed? Last line we are not yet done. Okay, Tia came here, Tristan came here. Now I can say this place is 15th from right side and 20th from left side. 20th from left side, not 12th from left side. Okay, cool. Now we have one more data regarding Tristan and Tina originally. Tristan and Tina. Tina I didn't show anywhere. Tina is 12th place from left end. Guys, Tina is 12th place from left end. From left end, this is 20th place. Tina is Tina, Tina, 12th place from left end. My dear friend, question is 0 is correct answer only, but see how you got answer. Tina is originally 12th place from left end. Now if you observe, total number of people 15 plus 20, 35, minus 1, 34 people in the row. 34 people are there in the row means Tina 12th from left side as well as 23 from right side. Guys, see this. In question, I know Tina is 12th from left end. So Tina 12th from left end. I can say 23rd from right end also because I know total number of people. How I know total number of people is this seat. This seat is 15 from right side and 20th from left side. Means total number of people is 15 plus 20 minus 1, 34. Here also 12 plus 23 minus 1, 34 will satisfy. So if Tina is here. Original place. Now question is, originally how many friends are between Tristan and Tina? Original position of Tristan is Original position of Tristan is 24th from right end. Original position of Tristan is 24th from right end. Tristan 24th from right end. Tina 23rd from right end. There are no people in between. That's why answer is 0. Typical question. If questions are repeating instead of Tristan and Tina, they may use some other terminologies. That's what the update they are doing. They may change the names instead of Tristan Tina, they may say ABC, but this numericals they're not changing. But see this typical question here, we're taking a lot of time. How you decided this with respect to this place? Now, anyone having doubt, please mention. Okay, answer is 0. Answer is 0 actually. Can you please explain this question again? Anushka, if you don't mind, I'll just unmute you. Okay, at what point you are facing difficulty? Okay, well, you are allowed to talk, Anushka. If your surroundings are clear, you can just come to live. So in exam, is it possible to solve this question immediately? That's what Srikanth, I understand. Okay, Sai, fine. In exam, it will take time. That's why we're discussing now, right? That's what this platform is doing. And as per the resources, okay, the drive which have happened so far, they said the questions are bit liberalized, bit given easy now compared to previous. This is the all previous questions. Okay, we gathered here and there, but yeah, fine. I agree. This is taking. That's why we're discussing now, right? And most of the questions in Mettl platform is repeated. And one more point we clearly mentioned, okay, is in Mettl difficult compared to other platforms. Mettl platform is bit difficult. For sure, it's bit difficult. We should accept that. There is no other saying. So we should be ready for. That's why we're discussing this type of questions now itself. Fine. So I'll repeat it again. So my dear friends, so two situations. Initially, left hand and right hand. If question is repeated, it's easy for you know. Is it Sai Tarun? So it will repeat, but Srikanth, if it is repeated, question repeated, then you can opt it easily, right? So that's what the advantage of training. Okay. Now see the scenario. Left and right hand, the given first one data. Okay, I'm taking related to Tia. Tia is 15th from the right side. Tia is 15th from right side. And Tristan is Tristan, Tristan. Tristan is okay away from 9 places left. So 15 plus 9. So when I have to do plus, when I have to do minus. From right side you are going away, distance is more plus. For left side you are coming close minus. Depends on that. Okay, this is initially. Then what happened? Then what happened in the question? They said you need to exchange the places. See, this is a seat. This is seat X. This is something seat Y. This X seat is 15th from right side. Now they exchange these places. Seat is same. Person can be moved. This seat, okay, after break in a film interval, okay, this X is coming to this place. Y is okay. X and Y seats are fixed, but Tristan and Tia is exchanging. Tristan came here now, and Tristan is now they given the question after exchanging 20th from left side. My dear friend, this seat X is already 15th from right side and 20th from left side. So total number of people in the row is 15 plus 20 minus 1, 34 people are there. 34 people are there. Then, okay, the question is regarding originally. What about Tristan and Tina? Tina will come into picture. Tristan is already originally 24th, right? From the right side. Now, to satisfy, okay, total number of people, this is 11th from left side. How, sir? Total number of people is same. 24 plus 11. 24 plus 11 minus 1 will be 20, okay, 34 will satisfy. Now, Tristan originally 11th from left hand. In question, Tina is, in question they given, Tina is 12th from left hand. 11th left hand, 12th left hand. There is no people originally between Tina and Tristan. No gap. 11 and 12, no gap. They're asking originally. How many people are originally between Tristan and Tina is 0. Tarun, is it clear? Anushka, is that clear? Time taking, I too agree. There is no second thought in that. This is asked in critical reasoning. In abstract reasoning, you can save time. My 15 questions you can solve in hardly 8 to 7 minutes. That extra time you need to spend it in this critical reasoning. In critical reasoning, abstract reasoning together, 33 questions, you will take close to 30 to 35 minutes. There is no doubt. There is no doubt. Okay. Now see the next one. In a row of girls, and I already mentioned in network security and cloud computing, MS Office, it won't take too much time. You see the question, you know, fine. If you see the question, if you don't know, you mark something. A, B, C. There is no time required because this is a huge area. Okay, networking and cloud computing and MS Office and common applications. So there you don't take much time actually. There is not much calculations in pseudocode. So then what will be that time saver? Sir, yes, that time saver in networking and cloud computing as well as MS Office and common applications. There you have 22 questions, close to 22 minutes, right? There you can save 5 to 7 minutes. That can use it for pseudocodes. Verbal, yeah, 17 questions, 17 minutes. It will take time because passages is there. In normal questions, you will save time, error correction, or maybe antonyms, synonyms, fill the blanks. That will be consumed by reading comprehension. So time at the end it will be sufficient. There is no panic things. Okay. Now see the question. Rosie is which place? Is this question repeated? No, right? So okay, fine. In a row of 50 girls, we have clear picture. There are total 50 people. 50 people, total count is clearly available. Rosie is 20 places to the right. Amy was 20 places to the right of Rose. Peter is 20 places to the left of Emma. Okay, first I need some particular place. That's what given here. Emma is 36th from the left end. Okay, 50 girls. So 36th from left end. Emma is 36th from left end. Okay, this is right end. Fine. Now for Emma, Peter is 20 places to the left. Peter is 20 places to the left of Emma. My dear friend, here I have to subtract 20 because I'm going close to the left side. I'm going close to the left side when distance should be small. That is 36 now 16 houses. Minus 20. 36 minus 20. Why can't plus 20, sir? One thing, if you do plus 20, you got 56. Total 50 people only. 56 is not possible. That's one common sense. Other thing, why minus is I'm going close to the left side. My distance is less, so we have to subtract. Okay. Now, Amy and Rose, we need to give the connection. They said 4 people Peter and Amy, between Peter and Amy, 4 people. But fine, is it left to that or right to that? That's the problem. There are two chances we can go. Okay, 4 people between Peter and Amy, right? So I have two opportunities now. These two are fixed. E here, P here. Amy can be this side. Amy can be this side. 4 people in between. This guy is 50%. So 16 plus 5, I have to say 21. Sorry, minus. I'm going close to that. Minus 5. Minus 5 you have to do. Here in between 4. Or else, here in between 4, this is fifth guy, 21 from left hand. There are two possibilities for Amy. Amy is between Peter and Amy, 4 people. I've shown you two chances. We'll eliminate one amount. Yeah, first from the left is correct answer here. Why to give anonymous as a name? You can put your name, right? Fine. So 21st from the left end, or it can be 11th from left end. Two things. We'll fix it. Amy has 20 places to the right of Rose. Amy was 20 places to the right of Rose. Okay. For Rose, 20 places right should be Amy. 50 people. Good. Fine. So where we can place Rose now so that Amy is 20 places right of means. Now this is not suitable. Amy 11 is not suitable. I can place, I have to take Amy here only, 4 people in between, and I have to take Rose here, Rose, 20 places right to that is Amy. For Rose, 20 places right is Amy, right? So Rose 20, 20 minus means it should be 1 from left end. Rose will be first from the left end. 20 places right to that is Amy. Okay, so we have to do plus 20 now. Then 21 from left hand is correct. That 20 places right should satisfy. That's possible if you go in this way. So Rose is first from left end. Bhavana not 49 from right end. 50th from right end we have to say. See total how many people? This place is Rose now. This is Rose place actually. I mean to say this is Rose here. Rose is here. Rose is here. Rose is first from left end or 50th from right end. Total 50 people, right? Don't say 49. Total 50 people. From right end, Rose will be 50th person, not 49. So left end, right end. Okay, fine, good. Guys, they may change that names, but most of the questions with the same terms. Instead of EMA, they'll say ERP, like that. They may change. But once you see the question, you will trigger this, what we discussed, and you can answer in fast. Now, pretty much similar to previous questions, or is it discussed already? Paul is 21st. You have to mention, is it discussed or not? Paul 21st from left hand. So with that, the ranking related stuff will be completed. If it is not repeated, fine, no problem. I think this is the first question not repeated. Pretty much similar to the questions what we discussed so far, that names we use in no Paul, so I thought of it's repeated, but it seems it's not repeated. Work on this question. Paul, Sam were discussing from long back. Try this. Right, if you observe this question, pretty much thumbs are changed. I think similar one we discussed is right. Terms are only changed. That's what, like this, my dear friends, that's what I'm telling you. Like this, they'll change the exam. As you are aware of right now, you just now practice, that same thing will reflect in your exam as well. So kindly see that. Okay, so it's similar to that question which we discussed already, but names are different. Okay, we discussed Louis question. Yeah, this is Louis. Instead of Louis, they given Paul. Instead of Sam, in fact, Sam only. Instead of Karan, they given some other person, right? Sixth to the left. Sam is adjacent to Karan. Same discussion, right? So answer is how many people? 15 plus 24 minus 1, we got 1 plus 1% position from left and right. See, same. So that is what happening. Okay, while practicing, you can get. And I'm again saying clearly, this comes under seating arrangements only instead of we're given ranking, but this also we are giving position from left side, right side, you are placing them. So this comes under seating arrangements, around 7 to 8 questions from seating arrangements, right? So check it out. And this model also we can expect 1 or 2 questions in every set. Now let's see about the next step question related to, in fact, the concept, statements and conclusions. This is important for TCS as well as Accenture. Remaining companies here and there very less way of asking. This is statements and conclusions. They're given a statement and you have a conclusion. Statements and conclusion. So what to be done? Guys, listen. Conclusion is definitely true. Only point you keep in mind, is it definitely true or not? Is it always true or not? Doubt means don't consider it's a conclusion. Doubt is not comes in the conclusion. Okay, is it definitely true or always true? Then only you conclude it. Right. Otherwise, it's not correct one. That is wrong one. Right. Now, that's very simple introduction, nothing more. Now, see the question. In a one-day cricket match, the total runs made by a team were 200. Out of those, 160 runs were made by a spinners. So while batting, 200 runs they scored. Okay, out of 200, 160 runs are made by spinners. Right. Now with that, what can be concluded? The opening batsmen were spinners. Is it definitely true? No, right. So the opening batsmen, okay, first person, second person maybe scored 0 and 1. The third person and fourth person only the spinners in the team. Spinners. All rounders, they are spinners and batsmen both. Batsman and spinner. Batsman and spinner. Remaining all are fast bowlers only. Right. So these two people scored a maximum. So it's not about, I cannot say, as they scored 160 runs out of 200, which is 80%, but that's not meaning that in the team 80% of people are spinners is not the correct conclusion. It's not definitely true. Maybe, but not definitely true. The opening batsmen are spinners. That also I cannot say. Opening batsmen, they may score zeros and ones or maybe 10 runs and 11 runs. Then spinners came into picture and they scored maximum. It's not about opening batsmen mandate. Conclusion is definitely opening batsmen are definitely spinners to score 160 out of 200. No, not mandatory, right? Here I'm showing you openers scored 10 and 11. Then first down and second down are okay spinners. They are batsmen plus spinners. So they are playing, right? So they scored maximum. So that's what. So neither one nor two follows. Neither one nor two follows. Next one, read it carefully. All lawyers are very smart. Janvi is studying second year lawyer. All lawyers are very smart. Janvi is studying second year lawyer. Second year law. Okay. That's okay. Before going for this question, I think I'm discussing the same order as per the material, right? As per the material it's going on, is it this conclusions part or is there any deviations? Same order. Somebody yes, somebody said no. Yes, same. Same order. Fine. Okay, cool. Now all lawyers are very smart. There is a dot, full stop. That's missed in typing. Janvi is studying second year law. Janvi is very smart. Yeah, all lawyers. Janvi is not completed the law. She is still studying, not completed. All lawyers, when you complete that lawyer course, you will become a lawyer. You may discontinue also, right? And they never mention regarding bright future and also second one we cannot say, but first one also, is it definitely true? Is it definitely true? You think no, because Janvi not completed the course. She is still studying second year law. She is not yet become a lawyer. Once done with the lawyer course entire, okay, then okay, lawyers are smart. Then I can say Janvi is very smart when Janvi is a lawyer. Suppose for the same question, first one true, I have to say all lawyers are smart. All lawyers are very smart. Janvi is a lawyer. Janvi is a lawyer. If this is the case, then I can say first conclusion true. If this is the case, I can say yeah, Janvi is a lawyer. She done with the lawyer course. So as per the question, we have to go as per the question. All lawyers are very smart. Fine, okay, Janvi is just very smart for sure. Then I can say first one definitely true. Think about the parameters given. Right. Let's see the next question. Again related to cricket. Statement and conclusion. Understand how we are opting that options. How we are selecting that respected option. Right. The New Zealand cricket team scored 240 runs, out of which Daniel Vettori scored 94 runs. Okay, out of 240 runs, Daniel Vettori scored 94. Right. Is that the highest score? May not be. Some other person. Okay, let us say Brendan McMillan. Okay. McMillan may be going with 120 score possible. So Vettori was the highest. I cannot say that. New Zealand team will win the match. That cannot be decided because whether they mentioned is this ODI or T20. In fact, in 2020 matches itself, 240 runs may not be sufficient nowadays to win the match. That we cannot say. So when it is doubt, don't go for conclusion. Neither one nor true. Conclusion is definitely true, for sure true, 100% true. Now, what can be concluded from the statement? In the past, workforce traded loyalty for job security. Listen, in past, workforce trade is loyalty is job security. If you are loyal, okay, your job is safe. Okay, if you showed up to work, make a good effort and stay out of trouble, then you are usually secure in your job. Right. That they given in the past. In the past, the workforce traded loyalty for job security. If you showed up to your work, okay, and make a good effort and stay out of trouble, then you are usually secure in your job. That's what they mentioned. Now, loyalty is no more needed now. No, they said in the past. Now they don't need or not, they didn't mention. And job security is a myth now. They didn't mention related to that. Regarding present, they said past only. In the past, loyalty, okay, is maybe treated, appreciated. That's why that will be a factor for job security. That can be concluded. Loyalty is no more needed now. They didn't mention present case. This all are discussion about present case. Regarding present case, they didn't mention. Okay, we'll see. This question not available. Fine. So one cannot secure his or her job with loyalty. That we cannot say. So that is appreciated. Okay, loyalty also one factor for job security, but now they didn't mention. So fine. So A is suitable. Yes or no? This is 13th question. Maybe order is not C. Let me change according to that. Give a minute. So the question, okay, for this question, loyalty was appreciated in the past. So, and this is the question. After that, all the members of XYZ housing society have their own business. Aditya son of one of the members of society will carry on his father's business. See, that cannot be decided, right? Okay. Your next generation will carry the same father's business. That cannot be decided. But Aditi, the member of society, has her own business. Yes, correct. All the members of that society, right? Okay, have their own business. In fact, Aditi, a member of XYZ society. You can add that point also for better clarity. Aditi, a member of XYZ society, has her own business because all the members of XYZ society have their own business. Aditi also a member of that society, XYZ society. You add that XYZ, please. Right? So conclusion two follows. Second conclusion is correct here. Add this XYZ for better clarity. Otherwise, you may go for neither one nor two because Aditi may be a member of society. Which society? Here we're discussing about only XYZ society. Guys, add that XYZ society, XYZ. Otherwise, again, this question comes under neither one nor two because when Aditi a member of society, but which society? It may be some other society, PQ or society. Then I cannot decide she is having her own business or not. Right? Question should be a bit precise because conclusion is definitely true, always true, damn sure true. Next one should be during 1997. Yeah, in flowcharts, they're asking 3 to 4 questions, and we need to focus more on this flowcharts related stuff. Right. Here, if you see the first question, we need to start and we need to give the input like fixed cost, variable cost, price, profit, all we are setting as zero. It's almost like writing a program. We're making all these variables as zero and we're giving the inputs of variable cost and number of units. Variable cost and number of units we are giving. If number of units is equal to 200, greater than or equal to 200, then we need to enter into this. If it is less than that, we have to go for this. That's actually decision loop. Okay, it should be a decision loop. Yes means this one, no means this one, like that. Okay, again the diagram is okay, fine. I'll show the original diagram. No problem. So and then calculate the profit of in the other file whatever I have. So the original diagram. I'll let you know what is that mistake. Yeah, so yes means 30, no means 40. Guys, you can just go for this. Yes, see, this is no one, and try to add that in the flowchart, and it should come to this way. So, guys, you just add these two lines for the flowchart. Yes means left side, no means right side. Okay. Now, in question, number of units given here is 510 units. 510 units are given. So number of units is 510. It's again condition. They given greater than number of units greater than. It's not equal. My difference change it. It's like greater. If number of units is greater than 200, then we have to go here. Yes, variable cost is 30. We should consider per unit. Next, this is also again typing error. This is also typing error. So modify it as profit equal to, that's the equation is profit equal to price minus total cost in bracket, total cost in bracket variable plus fixed, in bracket variable plus fixed. This is mistake. So one yes, this is no. You have to turn like this, and profit equal to price minus total cost variable plus fixed. Okay. Now see here, you are selling for 47 per unit. Fixed cost is 5,000 they given. Now my dear friends, what is the profit is? Listen, you are selling each one for 47. You are selling 510 units. 47 into 510 minus variable cost is 30 per unit. You have 40 unit, 510 units, 30 into 510, and fixed cost is 5,000. So 17 into 510 minus 5,000. So 7 ending with 7. So this is the option. Calculator not allowed. Calculator not allowed. That first one will give 8,670. 8,670 minus 5,000. So guys, this is the mistake. So profit equal to price. Okay, minus this is typing error. This is equal. So I'll just show you what's the mistake here. You can just modify it also. This is equal symbol. This is minus symbol. This is plus but in brackets. Profit equal to price minus total cost. Right. So the next one, in main exam, this is very difficult for maybe okay for seeing the entire. You have zoom option, everything. You can scroll down up and down. Okay. Now you have to give body weight, age, and height. Then depends on that which you have to enter into a gym. You have to join a gym. So where you can join, which level you have to join, which entry level. So they given a newcomer with 85 kgs weight, 5.8 feet, and age is 30. So first condition regarding body weight. Okay, age also. Fine. Again, there is a typo it seems. So I'll open the original diagram. Yeah, his body weight between 60 and 80. Yes means left side, no means right side. Again here no means right side. Yes, yeah, fine. This is the correct only. Now fine. So his body weight between 60 and 80. No. So we'll enter into this era. Right. Next, his age between 22 to 28 years. Guys, this is 8 years, not kgs. 22 to 28 years. Age is 22 to 28. No. Fine. Again, you enter into this. Okay. Now regarding height. Height is between 5.5 and 6.5. Yes. So you have to enter into B level. So answer is B. They'll give the options. A level, B level, D level, F level. So you have to enter into B level. You have to enter into B level. Right. Now see a previous question. Okay. See the question is like we have to take how many, this is greater than. If number of units given is greater than 200, go to variable cost as 30. Right. See, profit is given as price minus total cost. Total cost means okay, price in the sense selling price minus total cost means variable cost minus fixed cost. Profit is this. Okay. What is the selling price is for one unit below the given 510 units are manufactured. If it is 510 units, I have to take variable cost is 30 per unit. So variable cost is this is VC. We have 510 units, each one 30 rupees. So 30 into 510. Fixed cost is given in the question last line. Fixed cost is 5,000. What is selling price? You are selling 47 per unit. So you know profit is selling price minus cost price, right? So selling price, you are selling for each unit as 40, so not 200 units, 510. Here greater than, not equal. Greater than. Greater than means left side, less than means right side. When you purchase, when you manufacture more, cost will be less. That's why more than 200, they're reducing the cost. Now this question is B level. So we have to see A, okay, weight. Weight greater than 60 or less than 80? No. Weight. Next, age greater than 22, less than 28 years? No. Okay, then height 5 greater than 5.5 and less than 6.5. Yeah, this is satisfied 5.8. So we can go for B entry level. Next, third question. Rate of interest is given, time should be entered. Okay, now here timing is 7 years. Principal is given, so you know interest, they given formula here, I equal to PTR by 100. It's very easy question. Principal is 2000. Time is 7 years we are giving, greater than, so your rate of interest should be equal to 10. I think this is also reverse. Yes is left or right. Yeah, fine. Yes means right side only. So time is 7 years. See, we retyped actually this all for a better clarity, because original screen, maybe I'll show one other document in a second. Actually, this is the original document. You can see it's not visible for you when you print the document also. This will be clumsy. You can understand this. Thanks to the team, okay, they typed and we did a lot of work. So see, this is not visible properly if you print it. This is all okay changed actually. That's why okay might be some mistakes. That's why I'm here to clarify those. Cool. Right. So time is 7 years. Okay. Now put okay. Rate of interest should be 10. Time is 7. Divide by 100. So 1400 should be your answer. They'll give options here. Options are removed. Don't worry. Okay. Answer is 1400 among options we need to pick. Flowchart question. This is how they are asking in Mettl platform. Now here price is 50 means selling price. Price means selling price. Cost price is given, selling price is given. It's pretty much similar to that previous question. Okay, depends on number of units. If number of units are greater than 100, 10% discount. But number of units is 75, they given in the question. When it is less than, it's not greater than 100, so we have to give only 5% discount. So, guys, 5% only discount. Selling price is 50 rupees. Cost price is 30 rupees. Now you are giving 5% discount. Okay, so for 50, 10% for 50 is 5. 5% means 2.5. 2.5 rupees we are reducing. Means 47.5 rupees is the price now. We are giving discount. Now each item profit. Profit of each item is 17.5. You are selling 75 items like that. Guys, number of units is 75. For one item, 17.5 rupees profit. 75 items are there. So check it out. Answer will be 1312.5. You multiply that 17.5 into 75. It will give the answer 1312.5. Flowchart in Mettl platform will be like this. VBox platform theory questions. CoQ's platform box 1, box 2, box 3, box 1 value 5, box 2 value 10. Okay, then box 3 is equal to box 1 plus box 2. So they'll give box numbers, some numbers related. That's they'll ask in CoQ's. Topic same, but the way of asking the questions is different. Here, maths, English, Hindi, chemistry, physics, you have to enter those marks. Then this is divided by 500 here. Divide by 500. You can change divide by 500. So all those subjects divide by 500 into on this percentage. What is the percentage is? Okay, all those add divide by 500. Okay, into 100 will be the percentage. So they given in the question all the marks. If you add and divide, okay, so if I calculator not allowed in Accenture, so we should add normally. Approximately you take. How can you do approximately, sir? Remove 1 here. I'll take this as 80. Minus 1 plus 1, 80. Easy for me for calculation. And removing 1 here. I'm putting 1 here. This will be 70. And I remove 2 here. I'll make this as 90. Now easy. 90, 70, 160. 160 and 80 we got 240. 240 and 65, 305. 305 and 54. We got 359. divide by 500 into 100 will be 71.8 percentage. 71.8 percentage. When I got 71.8, is it greater than 80? No. Okay, but is it greater than 60? Yes. So then you are grade B. Your answer should be grade B. Options they'll give grade A, grade B, fail, pass as well. Here actually one more data available to decide, but fine. Okay. Here actually for pass also that is the case. Is it greater than 70 or maybe greater than 60? No means fail, yes means pass. I think it should be greater than 70. There is one more they'll give. Is it greater than 60%? Yes means pass, no means fail. Like this, there is one more. It's missing in the image, it seems. No problem, but you understand the procedure. You understand the procedure. Right, 60, 70, 80 like that. So you can decide. So calculate and so one more question. This is again bit okay. Big flow chart given. We'll discuss that. No doubt. We'll discuss. We kept a lot of questions with all collection, recent data and all. With this flowcharts, we'll take some extra 10 minutes time here and there. So loan amount you need to give. See, this is a big database. First is work for government. Whether you work for, see, when you go for any loans, yeah, who works for a government? First one, this is different questions. So first one, works for a government organization. Yes, sir. Okay, for an individual who works on government organization. Here, government organization, yes. Next, already you have own house. That is also yes. Now, approved amount is salary into salary is what 15,000 per month. 15,000 into 5 into 60 minus age. 60 minus 35, you got 25. This is the amount you will get. How much loan will be given for that person is 15,000 into 5, 75,000. That's everyone keep in mind. This is how they'll give loan for me or you also when you get job. They have conditions whether you have government job or not. Yes, no, fine, no. Then depends on your age, your job, your salary will decide how much loan you will get. Everybody will not get same amount. Some people will get 1 crore loan also. Some people may not get 10 lakhs loan also. Depends on your salary and also here. Salary, age also. If your age is more, let's say my age is 50, 60 minus 50, 10, amount will be less. If you're a bit engaged, see, they have an idea. If you're engaged candidate, you can repay. You have more time, you can repay it for sure. They have that guarantee. If your age is okay more, you cannot work more time. It's repaying is difficult. That's why they're giving less amount for it. All calculations perfect. So this is the amount they are going to be approved. 75,000 into 25. Right. Okay. Next one. A person wishes to avail a loan of rupees 50 lakhs. Is it possible to get 50 lakhs here? Is it 50 lakhs? No, if you want, you can multiply with 25. Yes, you have 0, 0, 0. This is 5, you got 12. 175 and 12 is 187. So you can observe it's 18 lakh 75,000 only. So a person wishes to avail a loan of 50,000. He don't get, he will get the amount bit less than that. 18 lakh 75,000 only he is going to get. Right. So fine. Next, one more. A person works for a government, same database. The other question works for a government organization and do not have a own house. Now the track is different. This is blue color out. Okay, works for government job is, but he is not having the own house. No, this track. Fine. Now approved amount is salary into 3 times only, not 5 times. So salary 60,000 into 3 into 60 minus age. Age is 20, so this is the approved amount. If he does get a loan, okay, yes. What amount would he get? This is the amount 96 into 60,000. So we got 3,576. We got 40. So yes, 57 lakh 60,000 he'll get a loan. Yeah, that's option A. Above question also actually, okay, what amount whether he'll get the amount, fine, approved amount is this one 18 lakh 75,000. Then if you wish to get a, what is the amount shorter than 50 lakhs, something like that also he'll mention. Fine, okay, let it be. I hope you understand the procedure. I'll complete flowchart and I'll hand out to a cloud computing session. Okay. Now entrance exam points, ground points, post graduation points, all this. Okay, now they given here Alex has 20 points in entrance exam, E equal to 20, G equal to 40, PG equal to 60. 20, 40, 60. 20, 40, 60. Okay. Now total points is nothing but E plus, so 20 plus 0.25 means divided by 4. 40 divided by 4 means we got 10, 30. Now 30 greater than 25, yes. Now 0.4 into PG. What is PG value? 60. 0.4 into 60 is 24. It's not greater than, so selected without stipend. So that guy will be selected but without stipend. The points will decide whether the guy will get internship selected or not, with stipend or without stipend, or rejected, or data is not sufficient. So I have enough data. With that values I can keep going. Okay, so first I got points is 30, 30 greater than 25 years means he will be selected, but with stipend or without stipend will be decided, depends on 0.4 into PG point. So that's not greater than 30. So no, he will be selected, but he don't get stipend. Next one, again, this is regarding loan. First, they'll check your credit score and annual income and loan type, all this stuff. So, first thing, credit score. Credit score for this candidate is 755. It's greater than 700. Yes, credit score. Next, annual income. Is your annual income greater than $5,000? Yes, my annual income is $8,000. I can go here. Whether applied for a secured loan, yes means then 2 times of annual income, no means 1.5 times of that. So I have to check. Okay, he applied for an unsecured loan, then loan approved is 1.5 times of annual income, which is nothing but half extra, $12,000. Right, so see, flowchart first condition, get the data, keep going, keep going. Don't waste time. Right. Next question, probably the last one in flowchart. So here, packing cost greater than packing cost, weighing cost is 1 kg, greater than 2, no. Then service charge will be decided as 10D plus 15W. D is distance. Here the service charge is 50 rupees. You need to calculate what distance. Okay, weight is one value. So 10 times of distance is 35. Distance will be 3.5 kilometers. Guys, they given service charge already. Service charge value is already given in the question. Your job is to calculate the distance to be delivered. This is regarding, okay, courier shop. Courier shop, okay, depends on what distance and weight they'll charge you, right? So here they charge $50 for you. Okay, the courier weight is 1 kg. So then what distance is what the question here indirectly. So we got 3.5. Right, so flowcharts done. Hope you understand.